Hello babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make different hair paddings for various hairstyles. You can use it for your bridal updo or for just any hairstyle you feel like rocking. I've done a very short version of this video before. I uploaded it on my shorts, but some of you were asking for a more detailed tutorial. So this is me giving you guys a detailed tutorial. So do like this video, comment down below, share to your friends. We all know sharing is caring. And most importantly, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So you guys should stay tuned. Let's dive right into the video. See you. So for this video, we'll be using hair donuts that I got from my local store. Also be needing scissors, pair of scissors, needle and thread, and any extension hair. You can use attachment or braiding hair or kinky. So the first one we'll be doing is the U-shaped padding. First of all, I get a medium-sized hair donut and then cut them into two. Cut it into two using my scissors. I'm using the bigger one because the smaller one couldn't pass through.
Like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain of
so now that I've cut my hair donuts, then I get my needle and thread and start sewing it around from the top, from one side, from one top to the other top. That's from one end to the other end.
I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text.
The purpose of me is doing this, that's sewing it from one end to the other end, is so that it doesn't lose. You don't want to, you know, have your hairstyles or, you know, create a good hairstyle and at the end of the day it doesn't last because your hair padding is not fully secure. So you have to, you know, secure it with your needle and thread. That way it doesn't loosen at one point. So this is it, guys. This style is very, very simple. Then the next one we're going to be doing is the round shape padding. So all I need to do is to loosen the U-shaped padding that I did before. Then get some, you know, some net off of it. Cut it out. Then get my kinky. Guys, you can actually use extension hair for this. Get my kinky, fluff it out, squeeze it a little bit, and then put it in the middle of the cutout donut material or net, whatever you call it. Then I go ahead and secure it with my needle and thread. Guys, this video is pretty much self-explanatory. So you guys should just pay very close attention to what I'm doing on the screen here.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want.
Mind you, you can do a bigger round padding if you want. I already have a big one, so I decided to go for a medium-sized one. Baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right. This is the final look, guys. So the third one I'm going to be doing here is the big U-shaped padding. It's more like a bigger version of the first one that I did. So I'll get a very big head donut and then loosen it from the middle where it's been secured, because I'm going to be fluffing out the donut material like this. Okay, so now that I've gotten out the material that I want, I'll still take out another hair donut material. This is the size I'm going for. Then bring the other fluffed out one and then use it to wrap it. Guys, this is pretty much self-explanatory, but I feel like, you know, doing this voiceover is going to guide you guys
There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that.
So after I'm done, I'll still go ahead and secure it with my needle and thread. So I'll still do the thing I did while doing the first hair padding. So I'll go from one end to the other, but I had to start from the middle so that I'll be able to secure it well.
And I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once.
So guys, this is it. Then for the last one, this one is the square padding. You can have a rectangular one, but I love it like this. So I'll still repeat the same procedure I did for the previous one. Just fluff out a little bit of donut hair. The quantity is dependent on how big you want your hair padding to be. If you want it to have a square shape, but you need it to be bigger, you can fluff out a bigger quantity of hair donut material. I don't know what this material is called really. So I'll still go ahead and secure it by the sides. Secure the middle part and still secure the edge where the fluffed out material is still visible. That way it doesn't loosen when I use it for any hairstyle. So babies, if you've made it this far, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, comment down below and share with your friends. We all know sharing is caring. So babies, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys learned a lot. So I'll be putting on the screen the types of hairstyles you guys can achieve with this hair padding. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to give me wings.